Dear aspirants, we are here again for your particular demand. As I got through many demands that why not you people are starting the test series. So, in the forum of Abhay Thakur IS, I am again going to start the test series for serving the needs of the particular aspirants. In fact, today in this small video, I'll talk about the test series and I'll just make you understand that why it is important, and secondly, what is the relevance of the test series and at what stage the test series is to be taken. In fact, without going into so many aspects of the test series, it is just a kind of formative video which tries to provide the information which I am trying to give you the information about mind test series. So here I will talk about integrated test series, and specifically I will point out few points on which you can decide that what to be done, what not to be done. The program what I am launching is integrated test series. Integrated test series. When we say integrated test series, it means it is combining preliminary aspect as well as the mains aspect. So before coming to the point that how much test is there, how we will conduct, I just want to talk to you on 2 points. The very first point is the necessity of the test series. Necessity of the test series, when we say the examination, all of you know, either you are preparing for IS or PCS. Almost the syllabus is same. In PCS, some places, few of the topics are different and the standard of the questions are different. But as far as I have researched and as far as my teaching experience is there since last 15 years, I just came across that most of the IS and PCS questions at preliminary level is around 60 to 70%, it is almost same. Few portions which are differently to be tackled in the PCS, like in Maharashtra PCS, like in Tamil Nadu PCS, like in Karnataka PCS, like in Uttar Pradesh PCS. Those aspects, whenever the people who will come and join to us, and if they are also appearing for the PCS, then at joining with this particular exam, with this particular test series, we will have one of the few of the addition of the test series related to the different PCS. In that context, I just want to indicate you that if we are preparing for the big exam, if we are preparing for the IAS, then almost, as I made you understood, 60 to 70% syllabus is covered there. Simultaneously in mains, when we are going, the exam is of subjective orientation. When this exam is of subjective orientation, facts are less needed there. So our test series will be focusing on basic things along with the advanced things. Many of the subjects are there where the current aspects are required. So whatever is the subject there, like polity and governance, like international relations, like social justice, like few portion of ethics, like economy, science tech, all those current aspects to be covered there in the mains perspective. Preliminary perspective also having the current domain. In that current domain, what are the things happening? What are the things going on? What are the events took place? In all subjects, in those subjects, the current domain will be well included, well emphasized. So the necessity of test series is here that it is a mode to make you people prepare. It is a mode to make you people make more focus. It is a mode to make you people test yourself. In an environment, what environment you will get when you will really appear in the examination. So our focus is to give you the preparation with the exam orientation simultaneously, to make you feel that the environment should be there where you have to recollect your facts, where you have to recollect your concepts, and then again you have to go for the answers. Preparing with us will make you teach that how to avoid the mistakes, because the questions what will come in preliminary, those questions will be testing your knowledge, will be broadening your knowledge, will make you strengthen about your concept clarity, and will be so much so organized so that sometimes the questions what is asked by the UPSC or the PCS having some confusing statements, having some confusing answers, up to that extent also we will prepare you that how to tackle those mistakes. Because in my opinion, candidates who get success and candidates who did not get success here I mean to say qualifying, the very thin area is there what makes the difference. That thin area is the candidates who learned during his orientation, during his preparation, during her preparation, to avoid the mistakes, how to tackle the mistakes, and how to work upon the mistakes. Those candidates are most likely, those candidates are having more chances in comparison to those candidates who did not cross through this particular exercise. But what I mean to say you here is not the absolute rule, is not the general rule. Exceptions are always there. So if you are in the exception group, then it does not matter. But for the 90% candidate who crosses, qualifies, who gets the rank, who gets the result, gets the final job, because it is the overnight status, it is the overnight kind of familiar kind of social status will come to you. So 90% of the candidates crosses through this particular process. Now what is the uniqueness of our particular test series? Uniqueness of our particular test series, in very short I am just conversing with you people. Later on we will have the broad length videos on some topic and on some type of communication, whatever you will want, whatever you will pressurize, or whatever we will have to check out that it is necessary to go to the students, then we will come out with many type of videos. So what is uniqueness of our particular test series? This is the second point what I am concerned here. Uniqueness of our test series is, as all of you know, it is not hidden that there are so many types of test series which are going on. The very first thing a candidate while choosing the test series has to keep in mind, that thing is the test series which gives you the time to prepare. Like if you are giving daily test series, if you are giving weekly test series, if you are giving 5 days test series, you are not getting the time to prepare. Testing is the secondary aspect, and it is always after the good preparation or after the time of good preparation. Those who have already prepared for 2 years, 3 years, for them also, when we will quantify them that 14 days time we will give you to prepare the test, then it will be a reasonable and sufficient time. Then after every 14 days we will have a test. If we will go for 7 days test, we will go for 5 days test, what will happen? Maximum chances are there, maximum candidates will not be prepared. If they are prepared, they will be half-heartedly prepared. If they are prepared, they may not be able to perform. So the very first thing you have to chalk out, you have to make in mind that sufficient time between the tests are given to you, sufficient and reasonable time between the tests are given to you, so that you can revise your concepts, your facts, and then appear in the test. then appear in the test. So our test series is not having the weekly or 5 days test. Our test series is on 14 days. The schedule will be available on our app by 24 December. If you want to check out, you can go there and can check the things. In this context, the second thing is the test series must not contain all kind of questions which are never ever to be asked by the UPSC or PCS. Why I am telling you this line? Because many times the test series are having those type of questions which gives the people misorientation rather than orientation. And in those misorientation, the people start searching about those facts and the time lapse. Once the time lapses, time cannot come again. Time cannot come again. The most precious thing in the world, in the human life, is time. Most precious thing. It is most precious than money. You can go to any successful person and you can ask them. They will tell you that time is the most precious thing. So within that time, the orientation has to be there. So our test series will always focus to keep you orient towards the examination. We will not have that type of wilder questions. We will not have that type of wildest questions to show our knowledge, to show our depth. We have depth, we have knowledge. I am conducting also the general studies module papers and history optional. So there also we are giving the all kind of informations. But here the orientation is to be in and around, so that the candidate who is taking the test series, maximum chances should be there that he or she will qualify. They will not be misoriented. This is the second thing what I wanted to emphasize. And the third thing what I want to emphasize is, whenever you choose the test series, maybe mine, maybe others, that point of time you must keep in mind that test series will supplement with the model answers. And in that model answers, for preliminary purpose and for mains purpose, model answers, discussion, copy checking. For preliminary purpose, that test series must be supplemented with the model answers, and that model answers reasonably to be explained. It should not be cut paste, reasonably to be explained by the respective faculties. This is the third point what I told you. Fourth point, that I have a very good team of expert people. Expert people, when we say expert people to the exams. So they will be working all the times, and they will be coming with you people also whenever you require any kind of discussion, any kind of confusion. You will be given the particular time to talk to the respective teacher. This is what the uniqueness here on the online. The fourth uniqueness is faculty support. Faculty support, I mean to say, whenever some doubts are there, whenever any candidate want to converse about any unique or specific doubt for preliminary purpose, mains all time faculty support is there for the different and respective papers. So that faculty support will be given to you either weekly or after 10 days, whenever you people require. Suppose 100 people demanded for faculty support, then we will divide them in 10-10 batch, we will divide them in 20-20 batch, whatever will be the respective ratio there, and then they can directly, within a given time, can directly converse through the app and through the phone to the particular teachers. So this is what I want to make you assure about our test series, that once you join, you will never feel that you are not attached to us, you are not attached to the examination, you are not attached to your preparation. The ultimate and the last thing I just want to tell you, that suppose a candidate has joined for 2021, but the candidate is appearing also in 2022, 2023. By that time, candidate, if wants to get support from our side, we will provide the support in a reasonable and a genuine and honest manner. We will not default, we will not depart from our promise. Clear? In relation to this, the integrated test series program will have total 18 tests, and starting from second week of January. Here I have just divided the test series 10 tests for prelims and 8 tests for mains. This is according to my vision, as I told you in the beginning, that giving the test series after every 5 day, every 7 day, I think that it won't work. It won't orient you, rather it will misorient you. So I have divided the time period sufficiently with the 14 days gap, and then candidate will be given the sources, schedule will be available on the app by 24 December, and then the person will be comfortably getting the test and can judge themselves. Here in the preliminary, you will have the support of model answer, reasonably explained, mains, discussion, plus model answer, plus copy checking by the respective faculties. In both of the scheme, you will have faculty support. The scheme of the faculty support, I just told you that if suppose on 7 days, after 7 days, after 10 days, if a candidate wants to get converse with the respective teacher, we will arrange that and you can have the conversation. You can make your things clarified. Along with that also, we will have some sessions on some topics which are very current topic from myself and from others also. On the current topics, maybe within the 15 days, maybe 3-4 sessions in a month. Get this point? So here, this test series program is focusing to orient you people, is trying to assure the success of you people rather than to misorient you. I just wanted to tell you this thing here in this video. I just don't want to get more prolonged this video, because it is an informative type of video for you people, that what we are going to place with you. Get this point? The schedules of the test series will be available on the app by 24th of the December. So if you are interested, if you have any kind of query, if you want to know, you are most likely welcome. You are most likely welcome. So wishing you all the best, wishing you all kind of best of luck for your career and for your success. Thank you.